Quantum computing is often treated like science fiction, but it is a real technology that could change how we process global financial data. Unlike standard computers that use bits of ones and zeros, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. The speed potential is staggering because adding just one qubit doubles the computational capacity of the entire system. Quantum computers excel at optimization, modeling complex financial markets, and testing massive amounts of data that would take traditional supercomputers years to solve. Think of it this way: a classical computer is like a librarian reading one book at a time, while a quantum computer reads the whole library at once. The industry is still in the early stages, but capital investment is scaling rapidly as corporations race to gain a competitive edge. It is important to remember that this is still emerging tech. It is not replacing your laptop anytime soon, but it is shaping the future. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep up with how tech trends impact the markets, make sure to subscribe.